We are introducing you today the introduction on BR800P. So it is type of long-range locator. We want to start and give you the full the setup. Now what I will do, I press start and then we wait while the machine is loading. And then it has many languages. It has English, Dutch, French. Also it has Italian. It also has Spain, Turkey, Arabic, many languages. Now we put English. Then we have, the machine also can detect gold, silver, bronze, also can detect copper, platinum, iron, diamond, emerald, lead, aluminium, water, and cave. These are some of the things machine can detect. Now we put gold. Now we put gold. Now the gold is loading. Gold is loading now. We wait while it is loading gold. It is loading gold. We wait. Here we have the depth and then we have the range. We put the range to be 400 and the depth to be 10. The depth to be 10. Then we put it OK. And then we also put the machine to get the area, to know the ground balance of the area. So we also have our antenna, the other thing put on the soil. Now it is searching. We wait for 15 minutes so that the machine knows the ground. What type of ground is it? What is it, clay soil, or we want to see which type. And then we have our antennas here. And now we take this one and we insert here. And then what we will do is take 3 steps from the machine. 1, 2, 3. After you take 3 steps from the machine, you take your antennas like this, you hold like this your antennas, then you move round the machine, circle away, round the machine. You go round the machine. Here you may find this one is directing you on this side. So it means the target is on this side. So what you do is you have 2 options. Either you go straight or you go zigzag. You go like this or you can go straight to where it is directing you. Now let us go straight, for example. You go like this and then you go like this and then it is directing us like this. So you have to go like this again. Then like this. Then it directs you like this. You go like this. Where you find like this, it is crossing. That means the gold is here. This is the target. Where you find the thing is crossing, this is where the target is. So to make sure this target, you make a mark on the ground. You put a mark there. The target. What we do is we move 9 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us say, for example, this is where the target is. This is where the 9 steps are ended. We turn on the filter, and then we put it here. We put the filter there, and then we put the filter there, and then we go back to where the target was. Let us say the target was here. Now we count 1, 2, 3. 9, for example, here. We put it here. And then we remove the antenna. Then we go back. We go back to the machine with our antennas. We go back to the machine. Here with the machine, we count 3 steps from the machine. 1, 2, 3. Then we go around the machine and we check. We check whether the antenna will head us there. While we are moving, if the antenna directs us to the filter, it means the target was wrong. If it directs us to the target, so the target is correct. So that's how we know exactly.